Hello everyone. I'm quite sure that all of you are preparing for different kind of competitive examination, and most of you are in the mode of on the verge of completion of your graduation. And after the completion of your graduation, definitely you'll be appearing in the competitive examination, and many of you are preparing for that as well. If I talk about the English section, yes, there is certain section in which you feel you find a lot of difficulty. Particularly if I'm talking about the vocab section, your word stock is very poor. I am quite sure about it, because many of the students, while I usually take the classes, they ask me that what are the meaning of these words, sir, we are getting confused. आप मुझे बताएं कि इस वर्ड का मीनिंग क्या है. कई वर्ड हम लोग का मीनिंग क्लियर नहीं है, कई वर्ड हम लोग जानते नहीं हैं. My dear students, if you are preparing for the competitive examination, just one suggestion from my end that you need to enhance your vocabulary, because English is all about enhancing vocab. May it be reading comprehension, may it be parajumble, may it be odd one out, whatever section you talk about. In all these section, one important aspect, and that is vocabulary. Word पर आपको बढ़ाना ही होगा किसी भी कीमत से. Basically, when the problem begins, let me tell you, अगर आपको कोई पूछते हैं कि what is the meaning of rigid, आप आराम से बोल देते हो, rigid मतलब जिद्दी होता है. But if I ask the synonyms of rigid, at least 4 या 5, then the problem begins, because you don't have the stock of words. आप obstinate तो सुने हैं, आप stubborn सुने हैं, लेकिन आप use नहीं करते हो. Vocab is all about the usage of the words, right? So I'm Nilanjan Bose, the professor of CIMAGE College, and this time I'm going to present an important video for you, all of you, those who are preparing for CAT, MAT, yeah, maybe bank PO, yeah, bank clerical, yeah, if you're talking about CAT, yeah, CMAT, yeah, something like that. In all these examination, there is common segment, and that is vocabulary. आज का इस वीडियो में हम ऐसा 5 वर्ड्स को डिस्कस करेंगे और जिसके बारे में आपको बताएंगे कि इसका और क्या सिनोनिम्स है, और वही एक एक वर्ड के लिए 4 या 5 का वर्ड का स्टॉक अगर आपके पास हो जाएगा, यू विल बी अनस्टॉपेबल. आई कैन गिव यू गारंटी अबाउट इट, बिकॉज इंग्लिश इज ऑल अबाउट एनहांसिंग वोकैब. आपका लैंग्वेज स्किल, आपका कम्युनिकेशन, आपका राइटिंग स्किल, आपका रीडिंग स्किल, एवरीथिंग विल बी डेवलप्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनहांसिंग वोकैबुलरी. तो चलिए, विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड टुडे सेशन. और आज का इस वीडियो में आपका 5 वर्ड्स हम बताने जा रहे हैं, और आप अच्छे सुनोगे, अंत तक देखोगे, ताकि आपका ये न्यू वर्ड सीखने का मौका मिले, राइट? So the first word, as you see, it is written fecund. What is the meaning of that? देखो, अब इसका मीनिंग जो हम लिखे हैं, दैट इज फर्टाइल. यू आर क्वाइट फेमिलियर विद द वर्ड लाइक फर्टाइल, बट जब उस फर्टाइल की जगह हम लोग फिकंड दे देते हैं, वहां पे प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है आपके साथ, क्योंकि यू डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड लाइक फिकंड. लेकिन अगर फर्टाइल बोलते, आराम से आप बता देते, राइट? तो एक एग्जाम्पल हम लोग पहले जान लेते हैं क्या इसका एप्लीकेशन है. द कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर वॉज अ फिकंड पर्सन who could quickly identify and solve problems. It's all about, it's talking about a computer programmer जिनका स्किल के बारे में बता रहे हैं, और वो बहुत फिकंड पर्सन है जो क्विकली प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं और सॉल्व भी करते हैं. मतलब अल्टीमेटली उनका आउटकम क्या हुआ? ही हैज बीन रियली प्रोडक्टिव. उसका अप्रोच बहुत फ्रूटफुल है. ठीक है? तो फर्टाइल मतलब, फिकंड मतलब होता है फर्टाइल. नाउ व्हाट आर द अदर वर्ड्स which are the synonyms of the word like fecund? अब आपको वीडियो के एकदम बिगिनिंग में हम आपको बता चुके हैं कि एक वर्ड के लिए कम से कम 3 या 4 वर्ड या 4 या 5 वर्ड का स्टॉक आपको रखना ही होगा, कि बिकॉज यू नेवर बी श्योर अबाउट दैट which word is appearing in the question paper, right? Fine. So let us know what are the other words. First one is fruitful, next productive, after that prolific, and after that spawning. So these are the words which can replace the word like fecund. तो फिकंड का बेसिक मीनिंग क्या हुआ? फर्टाइल. एंड फर्टाइल इज इक्विवेलेंट टू प्रोडक्टिव. नाउ यू आर प्रीटी श्योर कि ये न्यू वर्ड जो आप सीखे फिकंड, इसका एक्चुअल एप्लीकेशन क्या होता है, इसका और क्या सिनोनिमस वर्ड होता है. लुक, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द क्वेश्चन पेपर, in that section, vocab section, synonyms and antonyms, in that particular form the question appears. तो वहां पे अगर synonym selection करने के लिए देंगे, तो you should have a good stock of the words, otherwise आप वहां फल्टर कर जाओगे. तो आज ये फिकंड के लिए आपके पास टोटल कितना वर्ड आ गया? 1 2 3 4 5. Now you will be in a better position to deal with these words, right? So first word, fecund. Let us know actually that what is the second word. The second word, it's a very common word, atrocious. Number of times we use this word in our daily life, or in literature, you have come across this particular word. You have gone through this word, right? So atrocious का मतलब क्या होता है? Ruthless. Ruthless मतलब cruel. जो निर्दय होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं atrocious. Now example एक जान लेते हैं ताकि आइडिया और क्लियर हो जाए. This atrocious act was soon avenged. ये जो atrocious act था, ये बहुत ही जल्दी avenge किया गया है, right? So atrocious doesn't mean that a very good act. Atrocious always indicates the negative one, right? So that is the example that I have already presented to you. Now let us know what are the other synonymous word. First one, as you see, it is written appalling, and second one, dreadful. After that, terrible. Then comes unpleasant, and then woeful. So all these words are the synonymous word of atrocious. Now you have a good stock of words. For one word atrocious, now you have a stock of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the question paper, if any of the words appear at that particular any of the words appears at that particular moment, you will not be in a position wherein you need to think about. You will be pretty sure that this is going to be the correct option because you have a good stock of words. So the first word, it was fecund, and second one it is ruthless, yeah, atrocious rather. So let us move. Let us know what is the third word of today. The third word is wrangle. What does it mean? At the very first moment, if you get this particular word, you can be surprised that what is the meaning of this one. But after watching this video, you will be in a better position to deal with this word like wrangle. Wrangle का मतलब होता है किसी के साथ वाद विवाद. That is altercation, right? That is equivalent to dispute as well. So let us know what is the example. They were involved in a long legal wrangle. वे लोग एक long legal रैंगल में वाद विवाद में फंस गए हैं या उसमें इन्वॉल्व है. तो ऑल्टरकेशन मतलब क्या होता है? बेसिकली एक दूसरे से आर्गुमेंट या काउंटर आर्गुमेंट करना, राइट? सो लेट अस नो व्हाट आर द अदर सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड, लाइक synonyms of this word like wrangle. First one, squabble. Next, conflict. After that, dissension. Then discord and dispute. All these words can substitute the word like wrangle. So you have a good stock of words altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words are there. For wrangle, you have altercation. For wrangle, you have squabble, conflict, dissension, discord, and dispute. This is all about word number 3. I'm quite sure that all of you have understood that what is the meaning of that and how this particular word is going to be used. Let us know what is the fourth word of today. Well, I'm quite sure that this word, you are quite familiar with this particular word like ponder. Number of times we use that, we ponder on this particular fact. Ponder का मतलब होता है गहरे रूप से किसी चीज के बारे में सोचना. So what is the meaning of that? That is cogitate, right? So एक बार example को हम लोग देख लेते हैं. We intend to ponder all the alternatives before acting. Acting करने से पहले जितना alternatives है सबके ऊपर हम लोग एक बार गहरे रूप से सोच लेते हैं ताकि बाद में mistake की एहसास ना हो, right? So ponder means cogitate. Now, what are the synonymous words? First one, ruminate. Next comes meditate. After that, contemplate, then reflect, and finally consider. Look, if you are having a good stock of synonyms of a particular word, like here in this particular slide, it is written the ponder. So ponder के लिए आपके पास cogitate है, ruminate है, meditate है, contemplate, reflect, and consider. If in the question paper any of the word appears at that particular moment, you will not do any kind of falter. आप कोई fault नहीं करोगे, आप कोई mistake नहीं करोगे. Straight away you will find the option in all these options. In one option, if you find this any of the words, those words have been given right now. So it will be very easy to select the correct answer. So word number 4, that is ponder. Now let us move to the last word of today. Let us know what is that. Well. It's a very common word like allure. Allure मतलब किसी चीज को attract करना, right? Allure means attract करना. So that is entice करना. Example, it's a game that has really lost its allure. एक ऐसा गेम है जो अपना allure को खो दिया है, right? Synonymous word क्या हो सकता है? One very simple, that is attract. It can be lure, it can be captivate, it can be tempt, it can be bewitch. So these are the words of the synonymous word of allure. Entice, attract, lure, captivate, tempt, or bewitch. any of the words is really, really important from the perspective of competitive examination. And number of times I've told you, if you are preparing for bank PO, yeah, bank clerical, or rather CAT maths, yeah, CMAT, yeah, if you are preparing for NQT TCS, vocab is the common section. And if you have a good stock of words, nobody can stop you for sure. So students, I have tried my level best to get you familiar with the new words, and you have come to know that those new words and along with their synonyms. Right now, after watching this video, I'm quite sure that many of you are having good stock of words, because in future, if in any examination or in any question paper, you will find any of the words, you will not be in a very bad position. Rather, you'll be in a better position to tackle all these questions. That's all from my side today. Thank you so much and all the best wishes for the coming examination, right? And I'm quite sure that if you practice, keep on practicing, students. There is no shortcut to success. So if you practice all these words in your daily life, nobody can stop you. Thank you once again.